Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox a couple of brands. I mean, it's like a mixture of cute and then legendary and cool and everything. So let me just start with this. So this is the red box version of the Lamborghini Countach 25th anniversary edition. We do have this exact casting, which is this one here. This both of these are actually same. So I bought this because it was in a red color box and my wife was insisting me this particular color you don't have the box. I'm box version. So I wanted to see what is the difference. So I actually came to know this is specific to Japan itself. I mean, this won't be sold outside and all, but to be very honest with you guys, when I went to Malaysia, I did see a lot of red boxes there, but I personally didn't purchase it because I didn't have all the castings in the premium versions. So these are actually basically the premium version of the same casting but with a different box color. That's it, nothing much. So we will be unboxing this, and so here is another. This is a cute one. So the Tom and Jerry one, this is new for 2025, you can see here. So the moment we saw this, we immediately bought it. So I mean, we immediately asked the guy to purchase one for us, and this looks really cute. So let's see how this one actually looks. This is actually a heavy box, so maybe around 60 grams or so. So let's see. And here is one of my personal favorite, one more of my personal favorite to be exact. So this is from the MF Ghost series, I mean the anime series. So this one is a spin-off of Initial D, if you guys don't know about it. So we did unbox the Toyota AE86, and this is 86 GT, and yeah, Toyota 86 GT. So this is the hero's car in this particular series. So 2 seasons came so far. I'm in mid of the second season, so it is going really well. Maybe not exactly like Initial D, it is a bit different, but it is really cool. I mean, the animation is really awesome and well detailed and everything. If you guys didn't watch, at least go and watch this one. This is available in Netflix. I'm not promoting anything, I just thought it is really nice anime, so I'm just telling you guys. And this one of my personal favorite, which I bought when I went to Malaysia. So the BMW M3 46. So we do have a GTR version, I mean the NFS Most Wanted edition, which we unboxed some time back. So that's the only reason I bought this particular one, because this is E46, not the GTR. And this one is by Tiny Q. The brand is Tiny Q. So this is a new brand, to be very honest. I mean, this is the first time I actually heard about this brand when I saw this. So I bought it. So it has acrylic case and all. This is really nice. So we'll be unboxing this, and last but not okay, we have two more. Okay, so here is another one. This is not going to be an unboxing because the person who sold this to me, I bought two of this. Both came like in a packet like this. I don't know why, but this is the 100th anniversary Takara Tomy anniversary edition of the Countach. So the golden color looks actually really nice. I mean, I actually took it out on Sadar because it's just open packet only. We will be reviewing this, and apart from this, there is one more which I bought just a couple of days back, which is this one. So this is the Porsche 991, and this is by Sparky, and this is Singapore Final PCCA 2015 edition, and this one looks really awesome, the color scheme and all. So this is like Michelin, Sparky and Chupa Chups. It's a collab, and that looked really amazing, so I bought it. So we will be unboxing all this week, guys, so stay tuned for all these videos, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.